Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group and you're watching to the Market Watch review. The capital markets are quiet today with Japan and the US both on vacation. After yesterday's Wall Street rally, Asia-Pacific stocks were generally more stable. Stoxx 600 in Europe is at 0.25% and has reached its highest level in 3 months. The US futures are stable to slightly higher. The dollar is relatively mixed with the major currencies, with Scandis leading. Yesterday's gold price was close to $1,750, and it is now near Monday's low of $1,732.50. After testing an all-time high of 82.35 yesterday, January WTI is now below $80 per barrel. Asian Pacific market. The Reserve Bank of New Zealand announced a 75 BP rate increase, which lifted the cash rate up to 4.25%. The RBNZ raised its expected terminal rate from 4.1% to 5.5%, predicting a recession in the middle next year. Today was Labor Thanksgiving Day in Japan, and Japan's markets were closed. Tomorrow we'll see the flash PMI. The dollar is consolidating within a narrow range of around a third of an yen to either side of yesterday's close. Yesterday's recovery by the Australian dollar from Monday's dip below $0.6600 was extended yesterday. Market of Euro. The preliminary November PMI for the Eurozone was slightly higher than expected. The small gains in Germany are the reason for the increase. The UK preliminary PMI was not significantly changed, and it does not change the grim outlook. G7 members are expected to announce the Russian oil price cap today. Some of the initial goals have been diluted. To match the exemption granted by the UK and the US, the EU provided a 4 to 5 day transition period to oil loaded prior to December 5, but unloaded by January 19. After rising to $1.03 yesterday, the euro held above $1.03 in Europe until the late morning turnover. It climbed to nearly $1.0350 today, recovering about half its losses from the November 15 high. Sterling is doing better as it remains within last Tuesday's range. Market of America. Today's U.S. economic reports include a variety of interesting statistics. The series of durable goods orders is volatile, but CAPEX appears weak and poised for contraction for the third consecutive quarter. The fourth quarter's weekly jobless claims averaged around 221,000, which is slightly lower than the 231,000 for the third quarter. Next Friday, we'll see the release of the monthly employment report. Flash PMI is the focus of attention. This week, the US dollar was supported by 1.3360 against the Canadian dollar. The Bank of Canada knows that aggressive tightening has slowed economic activity. Swaps markets are almost evenly divided between a 25 and 50 BP rate increase on December 7. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.